gorgeous in here. Wow. Oh my God, absolutely incredible. Wow. Okay, finally, I had to get it all sorted here. But basically what I'm doing with the Nikon D750 and the 24 to 120 lens is I'm punching all the way in at 120 millimeters. I'm shooting at f10, and that's giving me about 1 second for my shutter speed, and I'm using ISO 100. The composition that I'm finding is, it's hard to see it with your eye because obviously you just see this really wide shot, this wide frame. You're looking at everything. But when you look through the lens, especially at a zoomed in range like 120, what I'm picking out is this fallen tree that's kind of sweeping across the creek. And behind it, you have this beautiful, almost like a pattern of moss, and there's white and there's green and there's gray, and there's just this beautiful pattern. So I'm shooting an abstract shot here and letting my eye just kind of wander into the frame and trying to disclude everything else. So there's a lot of clutter in the creek. I mean, the creek is beautiful, but lots of clutter, and there's lots of like wood and fallen trees and everything that's kind of just like cluttering the creek. But looking back in there, there's this beautiful soft light. I think the sun is at a bit of a high angle, so it's actually getting a little bit of illumination there. There's some cloud cover and there's some blue sky, and it just, yeah, there's just this absolutely unreal looking light. So I'm just picking out this one frame, and I'm shooting at f10, 1 second, ISO 100, and I'm gonna get that shot now. An absolutely gorgeous frame.